Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn that how you can create an account on Likee application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing you need to do is to download and install the Likee application on your device. Once you do so, tap on the profile option here right at the bottom and this menu will appear. From here, you can use your Google or you can log in with Facebook or your phone number, email address or Likee. So suppose I want to log in with my Google account, so I will tap on here. From this list, you need to choose the account that you want to log in with. So I choose the account and it say logging in, and from here the first thing you need to choose is the year of birth and your username. So I will enter my year of birth and then username. So guys, once you enter the year of birth and the username, the username should be unique. And here at the bottom, as you can see, this ID is available. So actually that will be your user ID as well. So you need to choose it wisely. Then once you're done, tap on done and it says logging in and discover more friends, connect with contact. If you want to do it now, you can tap on that. For now, I will skip it. And now as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. From here, you can choose the gender and confirm. And now as you can see, my account has been created. So guys, this is all it takes to create a Likee account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.